Chapter 8.4, question number 8. It's telling us to simplify this big fraction. So it's, as you can see, it's x plus 12 over x squared plus 5x plus 6 minus 7 over x squared plus 3x all over x plus 1 over x squared plus 5x plus 6 plus 10 over x squared plus 2x. So this can look pretty intimidating. However, if you break it down and do step by step, you can find that it's pretty easy to figure it out. So I'm going to break this down into 4 sections. We're going to pretty much do each of the equations one by one, and then we're going to piece it all together at the end to find out our answer. So first step before you do that is actually to find the least common denominator. So we want to first start factoring everything out to make sure that we can have variables that are like, and we can find our least common denominator. So I pretty much broke it down on this side right here. I labeled them as A, B, C, and D. So let's focus on the denominator of A. We see that x squared plus 5x plus 6 can easily be factored, as well as x squared plus 3x. We can take an x out of there. X squared plus 5x, well, these are the same. These are going to have the same denominator. And then these are also going to have, they're similar. Well, actually, we have a 2 here and a 3 here. So I broke it down over here, as you all can see. X squared plus 5x plus 6 factors down to x plus 3 times x plus 2. And those are 2 terms that are going to be in our denominator. B pretty much breaks down as x times x plus 3. C was the same denominator as the A, and D is factored as x times x plus 2. So while breaking all that down, we find that our least common denominator is going to be this: x plus 3 times x plus 2 times x. So all of our fractions up here should have that denominator in it. And the easiest way to do it, to convert all of them there, is just to multiply the missing term. So as you can see, in part A, our denominator was missing the extra x. So we go ahead and multiply that. That should be over 1. So you have x times x plus x, x times x plus 12 minus, and then we bring it over to this side. So we're going to focus on the top section first, and then we'll hit the bottom section, okay? So this is not missing, oh yeah, it is missing an x plus 2, so I went ahead and multiplied that there, and I got this. So for A, this is going to be x squared plus 12x, factor all that out, minus, that's where we're getting the 7x minus the 14, because we plus 2, we distribute the negative. So it's negative 7x minus 14, 2 times 7. So that's what that is. Breaks down into this, and then we simplified it as this. So this is going to be the numerator in our new fraction. We eliminated the denominator, so this is now our new numerator, and we're going to have another denominator as well. So the next section, x plus 1, that denominator was missing an x. So we go ahead and distribute that x into the x plus 1, and we get an x squared plus x. Section number D was missing an x plus 3, so we multiply the denominator